Hey guys, quick review of the Kingston NV3. This is a NVMe drive. This is a 4 TB model. So not only is it offering a ton of space, but it's actually insane speed as well. So this is 6,000 megabytes per second. And even if you got an NVMe drive within the last like 3 or 4 years, this is gonna be almost double or triple the speed. I know my current one is 2,000 megabytes, so this was a huge upgrade for me. We're about to install this. I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards once it's installed. And then what I'm gonna do, if you need to basically replace your current NVMe drive, is you're going to want to clone your current drive onto this drive and then swap the two out. So what I have to do that is a little NVMe USB drive. So this will plug into this, and then this will plug in via USB cord into my computer, and that will allow me to clone my current drive onto this. So it should just be plug and play. But as far as brands, Kingston is a great brand for memory and other computer products. Most of my PC build is made out of Kingston stuff. My RAM is Kingston. My other SSD is Kingston as well. So definitely check this thing out, and I'll show you it up and running shortly. All right, guys, I've got it installed in my PC, and I quickly just wanted to go over the speeds here. So you can see that the read was 3,500 megabytes and the write is 6,139. Now, how does that compare to my old SSD? You can see that the old write was 1,700, so over 3 times faster than my old NVMe SSD. And the read speed is basically 25% faster. But especially when you compare it to a standard SSD, one that is just not an NVMe, you can see that I'm only getting 500 read and write. So we're basically 12 times faster on the write and 7 times faster on the read. So this NVMe drive is insanely fast, guys, and it's got a lot of storage for a great price. So definitely check out Kingston products. I was sent this drive from them, but overall I would still buy it. It's a great product.